Hey everybody, John from the Lucky Needle here, and I've been getting a lot of people asking me questions about the Sailrite Fabricator still, and wanting to know if after using the machine for so many years since I did the last review video, what has my opinion changed and how do I feel about the machine currently. So I just want to start off by saying that in that previous review video, my opinion is still the same on the quality of the machine. In that video, I stated that I felt the machine was a very great machine and easy for beginners to learn on, but I also felt that it was not up to the quality standard that you would want if you were going to be doing upholstery professionally. And the reason that I still recommended the Fabricator was because at that point in time it was at a price point where I felt it still had a place in the options of buying a sewing machine, depending on whether or not you were just a guy at home working in your garage or if you were going to be doing this professionally. In Target, it's basically saying that the machine I felt was meant for people working at home in their garage. So it's been 5 years now since that last review video came out. So I just wanted to update you guys on the what's changed. So my new opinion now is that I don't actually recommend anybody buying the Fabricator, and let me explain why. The prices of things have changed since 5 years ago. So a lot of the more expensive professional machines, the price and technology has gotten cheaper, so the price has come down. So I feel it makes more sense to go with some of these other machines I'm going to recommend. Just to put numbers in front of you, the Sailrite Fabricator has also raised their price since the last time I did that review video, and now the Fabricator is listed at $15.95 plus $150 for shipping and handling, which brings it to a total of $1,745 for the Sailrite Fabricator. And then my new #1 machine that I recommend is the Juki DNU 1541S. You can find it online listed for $1,795 with free shipping. So it's a $50 difference, but let me explain to you why I feel that $50 difference makes more sense to go with the Juki machine. The Sailrite Fabricator, when you purchase it, they ship it to you in 3 different packages. And that machine comes essentially packed like a piece of IKEA furniture. So you have to do all the assembly and setup yourself. It's probably going to take you between 3 and 4 hours to follow the directions and get everything built up perfectly and operating, right. The Juki comes with free shipping and it comes fully assembled. So the only thing you have to do is drop the sewing machine into the table, put the belt on, and you're ready to sew. And you just saved yourself all that time. Now, the other thing is the Juki DNU 1541 I have always recommended as a professional grade machine. So for an extra $50, I feel like it's much more worth it to go with a professional grade machine, even if you're going to be working at home in your garage and you're not planning on doing this professionally, because at least it's going to give you the option down the road if you do decide to do more upholstery work. So that's why I feel it makes way more sense to spend the extra $50 and get a much, much higher quality machine, and that's going to last you a lifetime and you're going to be very happy with it. There's going to be a link in the description below for the Juki DNU 1541S where you can purchase it and find out more information on it. But I also wanted to bring up to you guys that I understand how difficult it is to choose a sewing machine when you're first starting out. There's so much information out there, and there's so much contradicting information, and you just don't. It's really difficult for somebody starting out to pick something and feel good about that decision. So that's why I went ahead and I created the Lucky Needle Sewing Machine Buyer's Guide. And it's available completely free. I wanted this as a resource to help you guys navigate which machine is going to be best for you in the budget that you have. The Buyer's Guide is completely free. You can click in the link up above here that's going to pop up. to download it, or you can check it in the description below. Again, it's completely free, and it will help you decide on which machine and what you need to know about walking foot machines before you make a purchase. And it's got it laid out for any budget. So depending on how much money you have to spend, it's got an option in there for you. It also has all of my recommended machines that I personally know you will be happy with if you end up choosing any of those machines. So again, I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. I'm not saying anything negative about the quality of the Sailrite Fabricator by any means. It's still a great machine, and if you own that machine, you're going to be happy with it. But I feel 5 years later, now it makes more sense for you to purchase the higher quality Juki machine for just $50 more than it does to purchase the Sailrite Fabricator.